Hello, hello, hello! This is your Thai finish pero pusong Pinay! Still here at Korpilampi Hotel in Icaria with you, going out with the bubwit. Ito ang mga bubwit na anakis ko for today's video. May inaantay nila si Tita Julie. I think she's already there, anak, because it's quite late.
What if she's not there?
If she knocks there, we will send her a message na lang.
Okay.
That we are already there, okay? We just walk, we are at the second floor, right?
Yeah.
So, I know, this is the third floor. So, we go down? Yeah, we go down.
We go down.
Kasi ang team ng night is, love team. Kaya, the Team Agustin, they are the Mickey Mouse team. Yung family of Mickey Mouse. Tapos, ako, wala akong kalab team. Kaya, wala ako ngayon. We supposed to be, dapat doon lang pala kami sa taas. Diretso lang pala kami dito. Tapos, aakyat na naman. Ayan. Tapos ako, ganito lang ako. Ako. Hindi Icaria, original akong love team. Charot. Diara for today's video. I think Tita is there na. Let's see and check. Ina, wala ka ibang shoes? See? I think Tita Choling is there already, Pio. Let's see.
Good evening, brothers and sisters. Who are the participants? Can I see a show of hands? Wow, 90% of the people here are the No, but you know what? Look at them. They all look like they're in their honeymoon, right? Yes. You know, you guys actually made the right decision. You know, it's actually being here in this retreat. I don't know about you, to me, it's a bold move. Because some couples right now are probably spending their time in the mall or watching a movie. But you guys chose to spend time to, learn more about how to love each other better. Diba? So tonight, you're not just building memories, you're actually building a better, loving relationship as husband and wife. So you guys deserve a big round of applause. But after so many teaching and lectures this morning, tonight is about having fun. So let's all have fun and let's wear that big smile and just allow the love of God to be felt by each other. Okay? God bless. Thank you, bro.
Maraming salamat. Thank you for that opening remarks. So, nakaka-inspire. Daddy, Google ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi lahat talaga ng hinahanap ko nasa iyo. Pero alam niyo po ba, this morning, our Sister Julie and Sis Mase actually had an activity with our kids. Which the kids are very excited to show to us right now. So they taught the kids how to sing a very meaningful song. So we'd like to call on the CFC kids with our favorite
Habang naghihintay tayo ng tugtog habang sineset, Mahal, may tanong lang ako. Member ka ba ng Couples for Christ?
Bakit?
Kasi nakikita ko na love mo ako eh.
Wow. Okay, so
Okay.
Overload. Daddy, tsokolate ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang sweet mo. O tama na.
Okay.
Okay, a round of applause for our brothers and sisters from all over the world. Hindi ka ligtas dito.
Andito lang kami sa likod.
I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands. I keep grinding, loving like we're shining. Mommy in the car, then you know I might be soaring. Playing too big, we ain't gon' ball fun, who made it? The groove I come to aim me and right him and amazing. Sure, but over how to pay off. Different city, gonna go back and forth. I hop out the jet, feel that I'm the boss. I remember new house, look a cop the park. Hit a melody.
Yun one aban, yun one aban, yun one aban, yun one aban. Naya, Naya, Naya. Yo.
Happy birthday, bro, my friend.
Happy birthday. Dira, Inday Karya. Nakapantulog na ako, nagbihis na ako, humiga na ako dun sa kwarto nila sis MJ. And then, I decided na umuwi. Thank you for adopting me in few minutes, sis MJ and Bro Maui. Pero hindi ko kinaya. Hindi kasama yung aking mga anakis. Isa man lang sa kanila, at least na kasama ko ngayong gabi na matulog. Akala ko ganun ako katatag, ganun ako katapang. Pero hindi. Pagdating sa pamilya, pagdating sa anak, walang katumbas. Kaya kailangan kahit hating gabi na, kailangan kong umuwi. Yes, tapos na yung activity namin. Hindi ko na kayo na-update. But then, eto, gising pa ata sila kasi tumawag ako na hinga uuwi ako. Gising pa yung mga bata kanina. Pero feeling ko, baka natulog na to. Nagpatay na ng mga ilaw eh. Ay, Diyos Bombay. Wala, hindi kinaya ni Mami Karya eh. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Buhay may pamilya. Kaya eto, karating na ako. Dira. Hello. Hi! Kiss Mommy, love. Kiss Mommy. Miss Mommy. Go bless Mommy. Bless Mommy. No, bless Mommy.
How's the...
Bless Mommy lang. Bless Mommy. Very good. It was all good. They all missed you. And I miss you, yeah. Tira nag-bless ayo.
The others needed me.
Yeah, they all missed you. They said, why Mickey didn't come?
Actually?
Yeah.
And they were sad?
Yes, they're also. That's it. Tomorrow we will come.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going back?
Yeah, we're going back and we will have church there. Remember the hotel where you had swimming?
Yeah.
It was there.
And we're gonna leave on the church day?
No, tomorrow the mass will be there.
Malakas ka naman, ha?
And then we'll leave.
Yeah, we will leave. Because it's only up to tomorrow.
At kutoy.
Kiss Mommy, kiss Mommy. No, kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy with John. Kiss Mommy with John. No, miss your Mommy with John.
Why are you so late? How many hours was the how many hours did it take for you to come until to here?
It's 30 minutes drive because I missed you. I cannot sleep there also. I was seeing him already in my pajama because I was already lying down and I was about to sleep. But I cannot sleep without one of you.
Matulog yan 30 minutes kanina.
Put cream on your face. Oh.
Did one of the
Hello.
Mommy.
Say hello.
Mommy.
Say hello. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Oh.
Uy!
Saan po nang nidretso? Mapagtuwad.
Dumaid naman.
Mommy.
The next day,
Pak! Flight attendant ang pegon. So, parang ang puti ng mukha ko. Puti ba, Dad? Hindi naman. Ayan, let's go. We're ready for church. The girl is ready. No, this one, you wear this one. Not that one is for Halloween. Oh, this is scary. Oh, this one, wear this one. Kuya, ano ba yan, Kuya? So we're leaving now. We'll wait for you in the car, okay? Tara, let's go. Ano itong babae ito? Dali, tingnan mo. Ay, nako.
No, she should.
Or kargahin mo na lang kaya, para mabilis yan.
Para...
Kuhanin ko nga yung isang shoes, just in case lang na hindi umubra yung suot-suot niyang sapatos. Kaso, nasan kasi yung partner na naman nitong white? Ito na lang ito na lang. Wala mang mga partner da. Pati yung black niya. Saan mo itong batang to nilagay yung mga sapatos? Maybe kasi pinaglalaruan yung mga sapatos niya dito. Ay, ang fresh ng hangin sa labas. Ang init kasi dito sa lobby. Pati yung sapatos mo, Miggy, na black. Wala yung partner.
What block?
We are here. Ito na. Sunshine in the morning. Sarap ng umaga. Duki! Busy man si Tita Masi. Babaitan ko. Wow! Hi! Liga inside. Doon pa rin same. Alam mo yung location sa second floor. Sige na, dali. Baday-day. Shush yan. Baday-day. Doon si Tita Masi. May kausap man si Tita Masi doon. Dali na. Doon na lang mag-bless sa taas kay may seryosong pag-uusapan. Dali, let's go. Go down, kuya. Let's go to the playroom. Andun yung mga kumari mo. Go down. 1, 2, down. Very good. 1, 2, down. Oh, let's go to the elevator. Here na lang. Sa elevator na lang tayo. Here. Let's go to the elevator. Come here. Yay! Good job, Bella. Oh, no. You bless. Bless, mommy. Bless. Mag-bless ikaw. Go inside. Kuya. Come here. Kuya, do that here, kuya. Come here. Dali. Let's go down. Oh, Bella's hand. Okay. Almost. No. Don't press that one.
Only for emergency.
Oh, come here.
Where are we going?
Here in the playroom. I think they're here. Here. They're here. They're here at the playroom. Shh, Doki! Ikaw tumatawag? Dali. Dali na. Here. Go inside. Dali na. Go inside na. Your Ellie is there. Come here. Come inside. Dali na. Good morning. Hindi na tiis. Nakahiga na ako dun eh. Nakapantulog na. Biglang umuwi. Hindi na tiis yung anak. Yung anak na tiis ako. Pero hindi ko siya tama nga yung sinasabi.
It's blue.
Okay, let's go up na. Let's go to the mass.
Make her walk.
Make her walk lang, Isa.
She's heavy.
Okay, she's heavy. Oh, go hold Bella. Hold kayo ni Bella.
Ellie and Bella hold.
Oh, hold Bella. Dali. Oh. Si Ellie.
Don't
Hold. You hold. Hold hands with Bella. Oh, wak na. Nagkaingon-ingon na yun. Puso'y nagpupuri sa Panginoon. Nagdadala ang aking espiritu sa aking tagapagligtas, sapagkat nilingap niya.
Faithfulness often falls short of its initial commitment. It is a tribute to these couples who now join hands and hearts in perfect faith. So please face it. Our Father in heaven, Creator and Perseverer of all mankind, Giver of all spiritual grace, the Author of everlasting life, send Thy blessing upon these couples whom we bless in Thy name. They keep living faithfully together and may ever remain in perfect love and peace together. Amen. Husband, it may have been years that you first pledged your commitment to your wife. Today, you want to renew these vows and again pledge your love and life to your wife. Do you promise to keep living with your wife together in the holy estate of matrimony? Do you promise to keep loving, comforting, and honoring your wife in sickness and health, in middle and old age, in good and bad days? Do you promise to grow and guide the children that God has entrusted or will entrust to you with love and compassion? Wives, it may have been years or years that you first pledged your commitment to your husband. Today, you want to renew those vows and again pledge your love and life to your husband. So, do you promise to keep living with your husband together in the holy estate of matrimony? Very good. Do you promise to keep loving, comforting, and honoring your husband in sickness and health, in middle and old age, in good and bad days? Do you promise to grow and guide the children that God have entrusted or will entrust to you with love and compassion? In the years which shall bring the couples into greater age and wisdom, we pray that their love shall be ever young, that they shall be able always to recover from moments of despair. In this home, may they keep the vows renewed on this day, loving and honoring each other, and that they share the fruits of their life together. Those whom God had joined together, let no one put asunder. Amen. Very good. We can make an applause. Very good. So now you can sit, no? And you can go on with the offering.
Tapos na ang misa. We're going to the playroom again with the kids. Shh, careful. Careful when going down. Tara, let's go. Dali. Ito na mga bata. Nag-check out pa sila. Yung mga parents. Kaya, dali namin sa palaruan. It's playroom. Okay. Lunch break. Apil ba ta? Apil ta sa lunch? Okay. Tara. Let's go na. Ayan na mga bata. Lunch break na. Where are we going to sit? Oh, for sure, Dad, meron. Maghingi tayo. Dito tayo para medyo maliwanag. Doon, sa dulo. Oh, sige, kasi maganda yung view dito. Mag-long table tayo ngayon. And high chair. Ito kay Ellie. Tabihin natin sila, hingi tayong high chair. Watch tayo, Duck. Duck, Ellie and Bella, watch a duck there. Oh, meron duck doon sa lake. Kahit wala naman, naghahanap kami ng duck doon sa lake. Ellie kasi sa akin lang lumalapit eh. Oo, duck. Hi, Ellie. High five, Ellie. High five. High five. Yeah. Good job. Good job si Bella. Ellie, high five, Ellie. High five, Ellie. High five, Bella. High five. Bless, Bella. Bless. Bless, Ellie. Bless, Ellie. Bless. Bless. Good job. Thank you, Kuya. Kuya made me a hot chocolate. Good job man si Kuya. Oh, high five, Ellie. High five, Ellie. High five, Bella and Ellie. High five to Bella. High five to Bella, Ellie. High five. Good job. Kumari yan?
Napindi ko sa'yo?
Hindi, hot chocolate basta. Na kami doon sa lunch. Si Ellie, tulog. Sa akin lang talaga siya lumalapit. Sila Robert pumunta doon sa playroom. Kasama sila Bella at yung ibang mga bata. Yan. Patapos naman na kami ngayon. Kaya, okay lang to. Medyo mabigat na si Inday Ellie ah. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect yun, bro. Na, ang galing. Parang si Bro Ernie lang. Shout out. Thank you. And then, ilagay ko to doon. Tutulungan namin yung hotel staff kasi hanggang 3:15 lang to. Ito kay Doki to. Hindi pa kayo tapos nito, bro? Okay.
Hindi na pala si Bro Ernie yung
Same. Yan na. Everything is done na. Picture na lang kami dito sa front ng hotel. Ay, camera ko pala ang gagamitin. You give all the kids, candy. One of each. Jasmine and
Why do you take so
No, you give one. One of each. Di, tagi-isa sila lahat. Para sa kanilang lahat. Ito. Grabe kagala itong Inday na to. Outfit check. Uy. Sama na. Let's go to the car na kay Daddy is here na. Dali na. Yay! Good job! Good job, Belaling! Yeah, good girl. Ikaw, bye! Bye, Ellie! Bye-bye na si Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Ellie! Doon putin na mouth. Dili, pwede. And of course, hindi pwede si Inday Karya na hindi makaariba dahil may nakita ako na alam nyo na, kumarket dito ba? Iikutan natin yan. Kung saan pwedeng ikutan. Tingnan natin dito. Kung may pwedeng aribahin dito. Kung meron silang Mr. Bean. Tingnan lang natin. Mang-i-spy lang muna tayo. Hindi ara. Uy, ayun nga. Habang sinasabi ko, pizza. Maligi. Iba, maligi. Nandun. Ay. Nasa loob man ang basurahan nila mga Zay. Ayun, nakakulong ang mga Mr. Bean doon. Wallers tayo. For today's video, nasala para nag-CR ako muna doon sa tawag nito sa hotel. Wallers na nung antaani. Ibangkong si Lula nakatingin siya sa akin na doon sa kagaya. Nagyaw-yaw ka diyan. Yung si Lula naglalakad. Anyway, back to back na taani. Back to back in action. Wallers inside. Hindi, makiki-CR muna na lang ako doon sa loob kay kurang masakit yung tiyan ko. We are home. Eto, grabe, sobrang sakit talaga ng ulo ko kaya kailangan mag-inom ng medicine. Inday! Eto, meron ako dito na para... What's that, kuya? Ha?
Lollipop. But
Because I told you to hide it. Don't give it to her. Don't open it. It's not good to give her candies yet because she's too young for the candy. Huh?
She took it. That's why.
Ayan, nagagalit na. Ano muna para sila mo dahil sobrang sakit. Sumakit bigla yung ulo ko talaga. Na siguro to, puyat. Medyo after party Jay, sila si Smell at Bro Mel at si Daday nandun. Dumiretso sila doon, but ihahatid naman sila later on. Hindi na kami sumabay kasi medyo sumama yung pakiramdam ko nga at masakit ang ulo. And then ito, i-ready ko to. Meron ako yung yung mini lechon ni Inday Karya. Ko na lang to, isasalang para pagdating nila in case may makain din. Grabe mga Zay, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko kanina, nakatulog ako. Yung asawa ko nag-lechones at nag-sinigangis. Kaya, ayan, nakakain na si Bella. Anong oras na? Ngayon is 8 na. Wala pa sila, sis, kaya doon na sila at kakain sila Bro Maui. Kaya may daw doon. Doon na sila nag-dinner lahat ba? Anyway, hindi na kami pumunta kasi doon dahil ang sakit na. Sobrang sakit talaga ng ulo ko kanina. Pero okay na. Siguro, sabi ko kay Robert, siguro dahil hindi tayo sanay na walang kanin. Rice is life. Talaga. Mahirap. And then, natin to. Titira namin sila, syempre. Papatikim natin sa kanila to. Of course, just wait. Mommy will just look at this. Ko na to, matagal ko na tong tintawag nito. Matagal ko na tong minarinate. Ngayon ko lang siya niluto. Kanina lang namin tinali. Sana, masarap naman ito. Yan, yung gitna, namin yung gitna. Ititira namin sa kanila para yung maganda ang sa kanila. Charas! Dera. Yan, uy! Ang juicy dado. Pero lutong-luto to kasi 3 oras na ito mahigit dyan sa oven. Yan. Ito muna ang namin. Hiwa-hiwain. May Mang Tomas doon, Dad.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. Isang mahangin na morning, everyone. Diara. Inday Karya, maaga ako mga arriba. Sila si Sandro. Andun sa loob ng bahay. Natutulog pa sila. Gusto nga sana sumama nila. Gusto namin sumama. Sabi ko, hindi matulog kayo, magpahinga kayo. I will do the arriba. You will see my arriba later on pagdating ko. Kaya pagod din talaga sila. Hindi sila matulog din maayos. When I'm enjoying the tawag nito, during the nung nandun kami sa MER, kasi syempre more of the fun, laughter, and then bonding ang nangyari doon. Eto si Inday Kari, maaga na namang arriba, pero ngayon strong winds daw. Naano ako kasi yung sa balita, parang grabe dito, nag-iingat ang lahat dahil 20 kilometers per hour. Yun, ano daw yun, posible na daw yun na magtumba yung mga puno. Pinag-iingat ang lahat dahil ano daw, malakas ang alon, pero wala namang ano ngayon sa dagat kay tawag nito sino magpunta sa dagat grabe man kalamig. Diyara, malakas na sa kanila yun, very strong na sa kanila yung 20 kilometers per hour. Siyempre tayo, sanay baya tayo. Lagi baya tayong flood control. Ay, mga kontraktor, ano na. Buti na lang, hindi ako talaga anak ng kontraktor. Buti na lang talaga. Na, mahirap lang ang buhay. Kaya, tuloy-tuloy din ang aking pang-aariba. Ay, thank you Lord for this wonderful morning, Lord. Nagising na naman po kami ngayong umaga, Lord. Salamat for the provisions of life of the family. Alam nyo kahapon, nag-message sa amin yung mga bata, yung mga kids. Hindi ko na kasi nakuhanan yung buong activity namin. Pero nakakatuwa kasi I was concentrated na makinig ng mga testimonies ng mga brothers and sisters, yung mga sharing, how they feel, ano yung changes after the MER. And then, wala, naiyak ako kay Miggy kasi I teach the kids how to do the flowers, diba? Pero wala si Miggy doon. But the second day, yun, sobrang excited siya kasi nga sabi ko sa kanya, hinanap ka ng mga kids. Tapos yun, may mga extra flowers ako, binigay ko na lang dun sa mga bata na hindi rin gawa ng mga flowers. Especially the kuyas, the big boys, hindi na sumali kasi syempre, big boys na yun. Pero of course, they also have to give flowers sa parents nila and give their message to their parents. And then here comes Miggy, akay-akay niya si Bella. Punta sa harap, nagsalita. Nakaiyak lang, nakakatuwa lang. Ano yung sabi niya? Maming Daddy, thank you so much for taking care of us so well. Thank you for giving us everything we need. Nakakatuwa na pag nagsasalita yung anak mo, umiiyak ka. Wala. Mabaw og kaligayahan si Inday Kari. Ang babaw ng kaligayahan. Pero kagabi, pagdating sa bahay, he was telling me na, Mami, actually, marami pa akong gustong sabihin sa'yo. Kaso lang baka magalit kayo. Sabi ko, bakit naman kami magagalit? Ano ba yung gusto mong sabihin? Sige nga, sabihin mo. Tapos sabi niya, I wanted to say na kahit pinapagalitan niyo ako, I still love you. At kahit tumanda na kayo ni Daddy, mamahalin ko pa rin kayo. At sabi niya, kahit mawala na kayo dito, mamahalin ko pa rin kayo. Diba? Ang sweet lang ng bata. Tapos yun, sabi ko, thank you. Sabi niya, oh, I thought you will get angry. Ba't ako magagalit eh? Wala namang masama dun sa sinasabi mo. It's all good naman. Sabi niya, ay sayang, sana pala sinabi ko sa'yo and it will make you cry. Alam niya rin pala, naiiyak ako sa mga sasabihin niya. Loko-loko talaga to si Miggy. Kasi nung nakapila sila, kasi ako din ang in-charge sa mga bata. Tapos yun, sinabihan namin sila na, you say something or anything that you wanna say to your parents. Sabi niya, bumulong sa akin, Mami, I know what I will say that will make you cry. Alam kasi yan ni Miggy, naiyakin ako kasi minsan tatanungin siya bakit ako umiiyak, nagkukentuhan kaming dalawa, ba't ako umiiyak. Anyway, na-share ko lang naman. Thank you for listening. Baka sasabihin niya naman, daldal mo! Okay lang po dumaldal, basta anong tawag dito, may sense naman yung dinadaldal natin.
I wanna see you again, see you again. I don't wanna pretend. Let's do it again, do it again. It's worse when you're not here. Let's turn the clock back on. Something we've done before. Time's ticking like it always do. It's me and you. Stay until I count to 10. Until I fall in love again. Find your chance to come my way.
Ko, namimiss nyo to si Mr. Main din. Kaya eto na, liara hindi kaya. Isang bagyalya lang muna dinala ko. Tingnan muna natin. Kaya baka umaapaw na to ngayon. Liara hindi kaya. Ito may indoor cars. Mga lata-lata. Yan dyan. Uy, kurko na naman indoor cars. Ang naman. Kaya kunin ko ng kurko kayo. Sayang din yung kurko. Hindi na okay sa dulo kasi dulitin po. Galing na ata si Lola. Eto pwede ko itong gamitin. Gagawin ako dyan. Always hindi mata yun. Ang madami talaga yung cucumber. Ang madami. Wala, mga tinapay ng inday cards. Uy, makara. Ba, may makara. Tayong nakuha for today. Wala na yung salati. Kasi tinapay, hindi ko pa gusto kasi yung nakaraan kinuha namin. Okay naman, pero pwede pa ito. May ano sa dulo. Paggalin ko yun. Ito mga wala. Ay, grabe po. Ito naman ito kaayo. Uy, ba't ka pinapan ito? Kadami nito. Pero pwede pa talaga. Sus, kadami masayang nito. Hindi ko ito. Tingnan nyo yung mga pipino. Mga nakaano pa. Sealed ba? Yung mga damage hindi ko makipunin. Pero wala. Agoy. Uy, kadaghan. Kamalo sa mga basurera at basurero. Ito, ang laman po nito ay balat ng orange. Ay, balat ng orange. Wala na po yung balat din po ng orange. Balat din po ng orange. Ayun. May nagtatago. Diba? Pwede pa to. May nalang guding mga makara. In the morning. Yung itlog. Akala ko may itlog. Ayan, ham slices. Ay, nakaayo ni. Meron pang ito. Meron pang dera. Sabi ang watermelon. Pero mukhang ano ito. Watermelon. Pwede pa ito yung watermelon. Pwede pa itong watermelon. May ano lang yung watermelon sa ilalim. May hindi na okay sa iyo. Pwede pa ito. Ayos lang kayo? Ako ayos lang ako. Hindi na natin dito. Anong meron dito? Miss talaga siya mga Zay. Hanggang doon lang tayo. Tingin tayo dun sa iba. Baka meron pa dun sa iba. Eto na inyong inday curry, mga Zay. Nilalamig ang inyong inday curry. Kanina pa ako dito sa parking. Wala lang. Nagbasa-basa lang ako ng mga comments niyo sa vlog ko. Thank you so much dahil parang hindi naman na ako ang inaabangan niyo sa vlog na ito. Parang si Inday Bella naman. Ito kanina pa ito pagulong-gulong dito sa ko. And then ayan, meron tayong nakuhang makara, meron tayong mga kurko na nakuha. Kahit pa paano, maswerte jackpot pa rin si Inday Karya. So, yun mga beshies ko, hindi ko na kayo dadalhin doon sa loob. Mamaya, gagala kami. Gagala ko sila sis at sila po. This is their first time in Finland. So that to make them feel comfortable, wonderful, and loved. Ayan o, grabe, ang lakas ng hangin. Ito yung nakuha natin ng mga sausages. Meron pa tayo nakuha. So yan everyone. Natin, continuation ng vlog natin yesterday. Ito, hindi ko natapos. And then, after this, maggala kami. Baka hindi na rin ako mag-vlog for today. We'll just enjoy the company together with our newfound brothers and sisters, newly met. Yan. Sobrang happy kami that they're here with us, that they feel that they are warmly welcome dito sa amin. So everyone, thank you so much for the love and support. This is always your Inday Karya, Thai Finnish dahil Thailander aking nanay at Finnish aking tatay. Ako po ay proud Pinay!